Okay, so Samsung's latest flagship is the Note 10, the Note 10 series. So there's two Note 10s, the Note 10, normal Note 10, and the Note 10 Plus. Samsung will be bringing both devices to Kenya, and I'm glad I got the Samsung Note 10 Plus for review. And so let's unbox it and see what you get in the box. So this is the Note 10 Plus, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. I don't know what color it is yet. Aura Black. So this is Aura Black. Yeah, and you get 24 months warranty for Africa. So let's check what you get inside the box. Okay, I know you've already seen a couple of unboxings, but let's just do it. On the front there's nothing, just a picture of the pen and the words Note 10 Plus 24 months warranty for Africa. On the side it's written Galaxy Note 10 Plus. On this other side the color and the IMEI number, and on this other side do not accept if seal is broken. This is the retail version of the phone, so if you're buying this in Africa, this is what you'll be getting. Okay, the knife is here. There you go. Okay, the seal is still there. Let's just remove this. Okay. Need the knife again. So there you go. Okay, so here's the phone in Aura Black. Let me remove the stickers. So here it is in Aura Black. It looks so good. Look at that. Here's the 25-watt charger. The Note 10 supports up to 45-watt charging, but for that you'll have to buy it separately. In the box you get the 25-watt charger, and remember it's USB-C to USB-C. So that's the code. The OTG port for whatever you'll be using that for, and the clips for the S Pen somewhere here. So this one will be used to change the tips for the S Pen. You can see the tips for the S Pen are there. And this other box you get the USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you have a USB-C laptop and everything, you're good to go. And on this side you get the USB-C 𝐭𝐿𝐴 earphones, because on the Note 10 Plus there is no headphone jack, remember. So this is a USB-C headphone jack. On this other side you get the SIM remover and I guess paperwork. So it's just a SIM remover and paperwork. Nobody needs paperwork. So here is the phone. It looks so good. So to differentiate the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, you can look at the cameras. They have the same camera system, but the Note 10 Plus has an extra time of flight sensor, as you can see on this side. On the Note 10, in the normal Note 10, there won't be that extra sensor. So this is the cleanest the phone will ever be. I like the black model, it looks good. I know there's other color options that are really glowing and all that and will attract attention, but this one is just subtle and very nice looking. It's very slippery, by the way. On this side there's a volume button and the power button. On this side there's nothing. At the bottom there's the S Pen and the microphone. At the top there's a microphone slot. I don't know what one of those ports is. 2 microphone slots and the SIM tray. Remember, this is the model that supports micro SD expandable storage. The normal Note 10 Plus, the normal Note 10 doesn't support micro SD slots. So if you want a micro SD slot expandable space, if you want to expand your storage, get the Note 10 Plus, which is already 256 gigs of internal storage. So this extra slot, you can expand your storage. Okay, let's put it on. So as you can see, the display looks really good. Personally, the better phone to pick between the new 2 series is the Note 10 Plus, because you get the expandable storage, you get a bigger battery, you get a bigger display, you get a higher resolution display, you get the extra time of flight sensor. It's just a better phone. This is the upgrade to the Note 10 to the Note 9. The Note 10 looks like a downgrade even from the Note 9. One setup, this is what you get. The first thing here is the Galaxy Store, then the Gallery, then the Play Store. I think everyone is trying to come up with a Google Store alternative, and the Galaxy Store has been there for years, but you can see the push is real this time around. So on the other screen you get the clock, a calendar, game launcher, and Microsoft apps, because Microsoft is really doing a lot with Samsung for their flagship phones currently. The app drawer, you can find your apps are over here. These are apps I've just been downloading while restoring my stuff, and the Google apps are in the app drawer over there. As you can see, the display looks really good. The punch-hole camera is over there. The display looks like it goes all the way around, and I didn't expect it to be quite a light phone, because this is a big phone and it's really light. I didn't expect it to be quite that light. The notification, the quick settings, you can see the power button is over here, but I've already remapped this to be the power button. It's supposed to be a Bixby button also, but as you can see, you can access power over here. There's a search button over there, there's settings over there, the Wi-Fi, the sound. I've connected the phone to my Uflex headphones, flight, torch, power share, wireless share, and everything. As you can see, there's link to Windows. You can directly link it to Windows. There's a QR scanner, blue light filter, and everything. There's NFC always on display, which you can toggle off to save power. Sync, edge lighting, Dolby Atmos. There's S Pen actions. There's kids mode, kids home, and night mode, and Bixby routines, and everything. The things that you won't be using, you can just turn them off. I like how it looks. I like how it feels. It's really good. Swiping from the home screen to the from left to right goes to Bixby Home, but no one uses Bixby, so you can leave that alone. There's not a lot of apps you get because I've installed these 3, and yeah, so it's like a really simple and easy to use device from the go. What I really like is that Samsung has made one UI really simple. Other UIs feel very heavy and bloated and have a lot of stuff that you don't need. Okay, so there's already an update. It's supposed to be the August patch, security patch. It's about 307 MB. With one UI, you're getting a really simple UI. It's easy to use, easy to access, especially if you're used to Samsung. The only problem is you sort of get to sign into a couple of stuff, because you have to sign into Google, then sign into Samsung and all that. But yeah, it's really good. I like the display. As you can see, the software update, the system update is already ready to install. I'll install that later. It's really fast, moving between apps, moving between stuff. My apps are updating, and yeah, I feel like this is the best experience for Android out here, and if you can get it, it will be a good experience for anyone using it. The display is good. I've already shifted from normal to vivid, because vivid has more color. It comes default in full HD, but you can shift to quad HD, and quad HD is just really noticeable. There's a dark mode you can turn on. Now you can schedule it, and it turns the whole system dark. There's a lot of things that I hope to be talking about slowly as I keep on using the device. And if you subscribe to 𝐭𝐿𝐡 or to this channel, you will watch the full review or you'll read it on 𝐭𝐿𝐡. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Ask them down below, ask them on Twitter, anywhere. And yeah, something I have not set up is the fingerprint scanner, so we can set that up together. Where's security? Here you go. So it has an on-display fingerprint scanner. Let me just set it up as we go. You have to first give it a pin. So you can also choose to, after entering the pin, it will just unlock without tapping. So confirm the pin. And there you go. So the fingerprint scanner is located here. It's under the display. You touch it to set up. This is my first phone with an under the display fingerprint scanner. I used the Galaxy S10e and the fingerprint was somewhere over here. So yep, get a full scan. It doesn't feel to be very fast, but yeah, let me add the other fingers. You don't actually feel anything, you're just touching the display, and there's some vibration motor under there to give the illusion of pressing. And there you go, both fingerprints are added, so remote unlock will be turned on in Find My Mobile, be secured. Okay, continue. So if the phone is off and you want to unlock it, I think you just touch here, and there you go. It's not the fastest because, as you know, the technology behind fingerprint scanners, as you can see, no match, then it gets you. The technology of under-display fingerprint scanners hasn't really gotten very good, but sometimes you can see it's really fast and really good, and sometimes it just refuses. But yeah, the fingerprint scanner is under the display. Something that excites me with Samsung phones is the cameras, definitely. So I'll be shooting videos solely on the phone to test out the video modes, the camera modes, the live focus. There's a pro mode, panorama. I'll test out the AI. I see the food mode is still there. AR emoji is still over here. There's a lot of good things that I'll try out. I don't know how to exit AR emoji now. Okay, there's panorama, there's live focus video, which is sort of new, and the same way you can blur the background in a photo, you can blur the background in a video. Be testing that. Something people getting this phone and getting it for is definitely the S Pen. With a black phone, you get a black S Pen. It looks really good. Air gestures and all that. So I'll be writing about the same, and if you have concerns and questions, just tell me. Especially AirDoodle, I look forward to enjoying this. You can see here the battery, the S Pen's battery is 70%. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and that has been the unboxing and first impressions. Okay, so tell me what you think about the Note 10 Plus. Be using it for a couple of weeks, and I'll be sharing everything I think about it on Twitter or on Facebook, depending on where you follow, and on an article that's upcoming. So subscribe.